None of those other things is going to make you money. The market is full of opportunities. If you're scared of taking trades, you might realize that there's an issue somewhere. Execution beats planning or analysis. So if you see a trade, have you ever opened your chart and when you came to your setup, you realized that it had already played out without you? How did you feel? I usually feel terrible. I missed 2 trades today that would have been excellent, and they were just my setup. It's okay to feel terrible, but the thing is, trades are like buses. If you get to a very busy bus stop, you're heading somewhere and you are trying to catch a bus, but the bus is full, or you got to the bus stop just after the bus left, you wouldn't chase the bus or try to jump on the back of the bus. So if you see a trade leaving the bus stop, as it were, without you, you don't need to chase it. You don't need to FOMO into a trade. FOMO is fear of missing out. You don't need to FOMO into a trade. If you miss a trade now, you can always get in on another trade later. The market is full of opportunities. 100% full of opportunities. If you don't catch a trade today, you'll catch one tomorrow. If you don't catch one this week, you'll catch one next week. If you keep on missing trades sequentially, you might realize that there's an issue somewhere. So you have to deal with it. So what's the issue? Are you scared of taking your trades? For me, I like to use limits when I want to set up trades. When I see my setup, I place a limit and I leave it to do what it does. So I could place my buy limit or sell limit, set my stop loss, set my take profit, and then I wait for price to interact with my limit order. If you're scared of placing orders, if you're scared of taking trades, maybe live, you could start by placing limit orders. And when you place a limit order, just leave it and see what the market does. For me, I think about it in terms of I am just a data analyst, and my job is to make sure I'm available to collect data from the market. So when you miss a trade, don't beat yourself up. Don't stress over it. Just know that the next trade is right around the corner, and you should try to make yourself available to take that trade. That's what matters. As traders, execution beats perfection. It beats thinking or overthinking or planning or analysis. None of those other things is going to make you money. What is going to make you money is being available to take the opportunities the market gives you to risk some money for potential reward. So the next time you miss a trade, just come back, watch this video, and you will know exactly what to do.